In this video, I'll show you how to quickly correct text in Descript Storyboard. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, to correct text in this Descript Storyboard is super simple. But what you need to do is you'll need to select the text that you want to correct. And once you let go, you'll see the options to correct, overdub, highlight, comment, and 3 drop downs for you to do any different options that you want. Now, to correct, you can just press on C with your text highlighted. Press on C and it's going to get into the correct text mode, more or less for that particular text. And then you can change this to Da Vinci with a capital and then click on correct. And it's going to correct that particular name or that particular section that you felt had an issue and you needed to correct it. It's pretty simple, pretty fast. I know it's not like in Descript Classic where we had to press on E, but it's highlight the text, press on C and make your correction. Pretty fast. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video is of value to you.